Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you amazing recipe to remove wrinkles and fine lines and to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines naturally, guys. With very simple ingredients we can prepare super effective remedy that eliminates wrinkles and removes deep wrinkles and fine lines and will get you 20 years old looking skin naturally and permanently. The first ingredient we will need is 1 teaspoon of milk, then add on it 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. You can use the market aloe vera gel or natural aloe vera gel, both will get you the same results. Then we need to add half teaspoon of Vaseline, then we need to add half teaspoon or a pinch of baking soda and mix well all the ingredients. Once we mix the ingredients, apply it on your skin like so. It's super effective for hands, for face, for neck, and it removes the wrinkles naturally. Leave it to dry out completely and then rinse it with water, and it's preferably to use at night in order to get the best results of that remedy. And my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective in eliminates deep wrinkles naturally, and it's super effective in removing edges of your skin. It will get you naturally baby looking skin, 20 years old looking skin, no matter your age. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.